Hey guys, what's up and welcome back to my channel. So today I want to talk to you guys about something I ordered and I got in the mail yesterday. I'm really excited about this because everybody that's been reviewing it has been saying that it's really good and that it's actually even better than the actual product. What I'm going to be talking about today is Shhhh, and Shhhh is an app that you can get like anything from there, from eyelashes to eyeshadows to concealers and foundations, I believe. Just to let you guys know, obviously this is not a sponsored video. This is just something that I had seen online and on YouTube, and a lot of people are loving it, so I just want to show you guys because it is affordable and they are dupes of, you know, like very expensive high-end makeup like Anastasia, Beverly Hills, Huda Beauty, things like that. So I'm gonna be unpackaging this with you guys. I got a little excited and opened it up last night. Honestly guys, these palettes look amazing and I cannot wait to try them. I got these eyelashes. I'm kind of upset I only got one pair because they look really nice and they were only $2, so we'll see. Also, when I downloaded the app, if I signed in with my Facebook, which I did, I get a free gift. A lot of the gifts were already sold out, so I picked from what there was in stock. So I ended up getting the aloe vera makeup remover cleansing towels, which is pretty cool. I mean, there's 30 of them, and I got them for free. They smell really good, and I love makeup wipes. Everybody needs makeup wipes because it's the easiest way to take your makeup off. So that's cool. I got this for free. Also, guys, shipping was free too. So I got the eyelashes and the 2 palettes for $24. Came in like a really cool bubbly wrap, and then I also got a receipt of what I ordered. So both of these palettes are by Bad Habit, but they do sell them on the Shhhh app, but they are Bad Habit, and apparently everybody's been about how amazing Bad Habit is and how it's even better than the actual product, what it's the dupe of. So I don't know, guys, we'll see. Like I said, if you want a video of me using these and doing my makeup with them, just let me know in the comments right down below. So it comes in this, and this is the Aphrodite. Guys, I don't know. This is the first palette I'm opening. And I'm pretty sure this palette is a dupe for the Huda Beauty palette. And the Huda Beauty palette is, I believe, $65, and this is $12. First, I just want to say that this is pretty heavy. Like, it doesn't feel like $12. It looks sleek and expensive. And also, guys, it has a mirror, and it's not like a flimsy palette, and the mirror is actually really nice and convenient. I really like the mirror. So wow, guys, this has 18 colors. They look amazing. And like I said, this is the Aphrodite palette. Doesn't feel cheap. $12. Wow. The next palette I got from the Shhhh app, and Shhhh is H-U-S-H, just in case you guys don't understand what I'm saying. And then the next one I got is the Retro Love. It has 14 colors. Wow, this is a cruelty-free product, which is amazing. I love that, and I will continue to support companies that are cruelty-free because you know me, I love animals. Why would you test makeup on animals anyway? You know what I mean? Okay, guys, this is called Retro Love, and this is by Bad Habits 2. And like I said with the last one, it doesn't feel cheap. It looks really nice, and also it comes with a mirror. These colors are so nice, and I am so excited to use them. It comes with a mirror and everything, and 14 colors. So this Retro Love palette is a dupe for the Anastasia Beverly Hills Subculture palette, I believe. It's a dupe for one of the Anastasia Beverly Hills palettes, and I will swatch both these palettes that I got for you guys. So I'm going to start off swatching the Aphrodite palette. I hope I'm saying the name right. It's crazy because these glittery colors in here are so expensive to make. Like I said, this was $12 and this was $10. So I'm gonna go ahead and swatch these colors. Okay guys, so I went ahead and swatched all these colors, and it's kind of hard to see them. I am living for this color right here. It's like really glittery and like reddish. It's beautiful. And this color, guys, for $12, these look amazing. Like, these swatches look amazing, and as long as they blend well, which I heard they do, but I'm gonna have to try it out for myself, this is all I'm gonna be buying. Why not buy a palette for $12 instead of $60 if it works and looks the same? Especially for people that love makeup and can't afford a $65 palette. Guys, I'm telling you. So I'll go ahead and swatch these colors now for you guys. Guys, these eyeshadows are so pigmented. Like, I would never believe buying a $10 palette and the colors looking like this. I am living for this. This is the color Revolution in Retro Love, and I'm living for it. So, honestly, right now, I mean, I didn't test the colors out on my eyes. I would have to see how they blend, like I said. But so far, I'm just beyond amazed on how a $10 palette and a $12 palette can have better pigmentation and just better everything than all my other palettes that I have. And this is not a sponsored video, guys, like I said before. So obviously, everything I'm saying right now is my opinion and how I feel about these products. I cannot wait to do an eye look with these colors, the pigment. Woo, I'm gonna be shining, girl. Alright, so I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I hope I gave you guys enough information about Shhhh and Bad Habits. Obviously, I only had those 2 palettes, so I have only tried Bad Habits from Shhhh, but I'm sure everything else is just as good, but I don't want to say that because I don't know. But I do want to say, so far, 99.9%, I am loving the Bad Habits products, and, you know, for $10, $12, and you get up to 18 colors, that's amazing, guys. So hopefully you guys can go and get some and save yourself some money, and hopefully you love the product as well. I guess I will see you guys in my next video.